So, hands panapa, my heart bleeds for my country. I always have sleepless nights. When I think about the orphans and the widows, life is now expensive. Fear is now our daily bread. Silence is now our only way to survive. A hopeless future is now our daily dream. Until when? Let us explore. Let us break this down. Ukaona zvichinzi moyo wangu wakudzine ropa nekuda kwenyika yangu, for my country Zimbabwe, it means uri kurwadziwa to the last extent. Hope hadzibati zvechokwadi kana uchizviziva kuti kune munhu ari kutambura. The reason why Killer's Voice is speaking about this is because munhu ari kugara kumusha. Kana uri kugara kumusha, severally you see orphans, widows, neighbors coming to you asking for something, asking for assistance. Upenyu unotanga kudhura. 2 kg yeshuga chayo yamari, kweye flour, kweye rice, mafizi mari, kupfeka unoda mari. All those issues are very important. Uchaona kuti fear is now our daily bread. How? We are living in fear. We are being chased. Fuzz is not relenting. Fuzz is against anybody, both vari kuZANU PF nevari kuopposition. Saka you see kuti the people will not comfortably live. They will live in fear. Silence is now our daily bread, our only way to survive. For you to survive, you have to be silent. The patriotic bill is coming to silence you further. And this gives us a hopeless future. Because kana manyarara, kana musingachagone kuita politics, kana musingachagone kudevelopa, musina chimwe chinhu chamuchagona kuita. You are now relying on the politicians who are in power for survival. It means hapasina hope, hapasina future. Zvichasvika rini zvakadaro. 23 August 2023 is the day which was proclaimed for Zimbabwe to vote wisely, to vote for change, to vote for Advocate Nelson Chamisa. We don't know how it will happen, but we know for certain that it will happen. All we need to do is to vote responsibly, vote wisely, and make sure that we remove fear. As long as we are afraid, we will continue to be suppressed. But remember, those who died never wanted to die. But because of time, they passed away. You die anyway. That is the reason why we continue to speak, because we've understood that one day we will die. So we can't stop destiny, we can't stop death, we can't stop anything. Let us work together, revive the hope, revive the economy, revive the future of Zimbabwe.